Here's the two different ways how you can turn on or turn off Wi-Fi on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the Settings page, we go down and tap on Wi-Fi. Here at the top, tap on the Wi-Fi toggle button to switch it off. This will allow you to use mobile data once Wi-Fi is off, or you can switch it on. Now the other way is to pull down the control center at the top. Then you can tap on this Wi-Fi icon to turn it off or switch it on. Now if you touch and hold onto this communication box, in here you can touch and hold on Wi-Fi, and from here you can change to a different Wi-Fi network. This will also allow you to quickly navigate to the Wi-Fi settings by tapping on the Wi-Fi settings. In here you can also further configure your Wi-Fi. And that's it. So those are the different ways how you can quickly navigate to your Wi-Fi settings and how you can turn it on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.